This video will demonstrate how to remove and install the forward refreshment cabinet in the passenger compartment on the Super King Air 350i. The refreshment cabinet is located in the passenger compartment just aft of the cockpit. These instructions are applicable to serial numbers FL601, FL672, FL688, and later FL serial numbers with the VIP interior and cabin management system installed. This procedure can be found in Chapter 25 of the Super King Air Model B300 and B300C Airplane Maintenance Manual. As a precaution, ensure that the tail stand is in place and that the power is shut off to the cabin before beginning to remove the refreshment cabinet. Gain access to the passenger cabin. You may find it helpful to remove some or all of the passenger seats and the aft left partition in order to allow for more clearance when maneuvering the cabinet within the passenger cabin. Perform the cabin headliner removal procedure. Remove the refreshment cabinet bottom drawer. Remove the 4 screws and washers securing the base of the refreshment cabinet to the cabin isolator plates. Remove the headliner panel from the refreshment cabinet to gain access to the quick release pin. Disengage the quick release pin securing the refreshment cabinet to the upper rail assembly. Using a small hook or hex key may ease pulling the pin down. Unstow the cabin partition sliding door located behind the refreshment cabinet. This will allow for clearance between the interlocking fittings on the cabinet and partition door. Tilt the cabinet inboard. Disconnect the electrical connector for the internal cabinet lights. Remove the cabinet from the aircraft. Gain access to the interior of the airplane. Before beginning to install the refreshment cabinet, unstow the partition sliding door behind the cabinet that is going to be installed. Install the refreshment cabinet in position on the isolator plates. Connect the electrical connection for the internal cabinet lights. The cabinet may need to be tilted slightly inboard during installation to allow access to the connector. Engage the quick release pin in the upper rail assembly. Using a small hook or hex key may ease pulling the pin down when lining up the pin with the hole in the rail assembly. Install the header panel on the cabinet. Install the 4 screws and washers to secure the base of the refreshment cabinet to the isolator plates. Install the bottom drawer of the cabinet. After completion of the installation, verify the functionality of the drawers and lights. Finally, the aft left partition, passenger seats, cabin headliner panel, and any other items removed for accessibility may be reinstalled in the airplane. At this time, perform all associated maintenance operation checks per the B300 and B300C Airplane Maintenance Manual for return to service. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For further information, please call Textron Aviation Team Turboprop Technical Support at 316-676-3140 or 1-800-429-5372. Team Turboprop can also be reached via email at kingair_support@txtav.com.